Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another review, this time from the Christopher Ward the 12. As you can see here, we have the Glacier Blue dial. So the 12 is the Christopher Ward line with integrated bracelet, as you can see, and it was released in April 2024, if I remember correctly, maybe before that discolor. And it did great, I think, because it's a well done watch. The price is right, the specs are right. Yeah, I think it's one of my favorite integrated bracelet watches in that segment. Anyways, let me go through the motions. We first thing is the specifications. So it's 40 millimeters in diameter, lug to lug from the male end link to the male end link, around 44.5, just under 10 millimeters thickness, and you have a 25 millimeter lug going down to around 18 millimeter, so tapering from 25 to 18. And as you can see in the back here, we have the Solita SW200-1 Elaboré running on 4 hertz, 26 joules. Trying to get the best look. And yeah, we have a screw down crown, as you can see. The change of the date is also instantaneous, as you can see. Very good. We have a Glacier Blue tapestry like dial with a pressed dial, as you can see, polished finish all over with the touches of brushed on the bracelet, which I really like as well. So it does play with the light a lot, the bracelet and the dial, because it has a lot of shapes. So I have the circular one, which is the crystal, the sapphire AR coated anti-reflective crystal, and then you have like a hexagonal shape here on the, let's say, bottom part of the bezel, and then you have the tourneau shape of the case. So I have different combination of shapes. You have also this crown guard, which I also like, gives it a more sporty look, and it's 100 meters water resistance watch, and on this bracelet is 160 grams, so weighs really well. I really like the attention to detail on the watch, because on the one thing I didn't enjoy, or I wasn't going to enjoy, was the micro adjustment of the bracelet, but they already have this in the new one, so I cannot say it's something I hate, because I also put a half link, and the half link did exactly put it in my size, so you can adjust it to be exactly your size, exactly your fitting. I like it to be tough, like tight, but not too tight. So you can see it leaves a little bit of mark, but not too much that I get pulsating feeling in my arm. What you get with the watch is this box, which is their, let's say, sustainable box. It's wood with some kind of leather. You get like a thank you note. You get the instruction manual. You get the card for the guarantee. You have 60 months of guarantee. So you get all this for 1,350 on the bracelet, and you can buy also the straps that go with the watch. So you can buy a baby blue strap like this one, and it's very easy to change straps on this watch because they have a quick release function. So I'll show you even live. So basically we have to just push these two buttons inside and it goes out. So maybe you'll see it here better. So you push these two inside and it releases, and then you put the top one. So let me here, you press them inside, and then you fix the strap. You push them inside, you fix the strap, and then here we go. We have the strap, and this is how it looks on my 17.1 centimeter wrist. The loom on the watch is also good. It doesn't stay long as I wanted, but it does look quite nice, especially with the blue one on the dial and on the straps. That's one of the things, like I said, micro adjustment on the bracelet is already done in the new version. I didn't try the new version. Maybe somebody that has the new version could tell me about the loom. Yeah, it has an anti-shock system. So here we can see the movement a little bit better with the screws and the sapphire crystal, so you can see the movement. I think it's a great watch for that price. I think it's, my opinion, one of the best integrated bracelet watches, value for money. Because for 1,350 you get a Swiss watch, Swiss made movement, quite a good execution on the bracelet, looks really nice, and on the dial itself and on the shape of the case itself, it just hugs the wrist, and I did enjoy it a lot while wearing it, I have to say. Let me get the time grapher and see how is it doing on the time grapher. I've been wearing it constantly the past couple of weeks, so it should give you an indication. It's not an accurate depiction of reality, but it's an indication on how the movement would be working on day-to-day basis. So the 38-hour power reserve elaborate movement was doing around plus 17 seconds per day. High amplitude, as you can see, 316. 0.3 milliseconds speed error. That's not so good, but maybe because of the settings I have, that would be something maybe needed corrected. But like I said, this is just an indication. For me, when I was wearing it, it was doing fine. I didn't need to change the time that much, or at all, to be honest. So for me, it did its job quite well. So let me get all the stuff out of the way and get down to the gist of it. So I like everything about the watch, I have to be honest. From the bracelet, as you might know if you're subscribed to this channel. If you're not, please do subscribe. It does help the channel a lot. I'm not a big fan of bracelets, and I usually wear my watches on straps, and this was the first watch I put it on strapped, and then I put it back on bracelet because the bracelet is so comfortable, especially with the extra link that they provided, like a half link, just so you can see here the difference between the link and the half link. It did perfectly matched my wrist size, 17.1 centimeter wrist. On the strap, it still looks good. It's very comfy, and but on the bracelet, it's just let's say the attraction of a integrated bracelet watch is to wear it on the integrated bracelet. The micro adjustment is on the new models, or if you buy a model now from their website, you will get it with the micro adjustment. And the loom, the SLN BLC1 loom, I think that could be a little bit better. Maybe in the new models they have it also. Anyways, that's about it. If you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, leave them in the comment section. And as always, this is an invitation to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. And of course, you'll find the subscription button here and 2 videos on the right and on the left that you might enjoy as well. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.